Hello, everyone. For discussion board week 5, the article I went with was machine safety, new and updated consensus standards. Right here, I have the APA citation, and then below, I have the hyperlink. The consensus standards that I chose based off of the article and which were talked about was ANSI B11.0 and then ANSI B11.19. All right, so the article itself, basically, it gave a very detailed situational awareness on machine fatalities, and specifically, the article discussed the topic of machinery being a primary source of work-related fatalities back in 2008. Now, as a result of that, update modifications and changes were made to B11.0 and B11.19. Both were modified to standardize workplace safety, safety, health, and environmental hazards. Right. Um, the modifications to the B11.0 standard were to absorb other closely related ANSI standards. One was a TR3. Additionally, B11.0 focused on elements of machine safety and guidelines for risk assessment knowledge and reference material. Now, the other part to that was B11.19, which focused on improvements towards machine guarding to include protective measures, emergency actions, guard switches, etc. Now, the way this article can be applied to work centers, like on a safety professional level, is basically first having the awareness and the knowledge that as years go by and as hazards continue to occur, safety as a whole, when it comes down to technology and an understanding basis, will grow as well. So, new methods will be developed. Some old methods may be obsolete, and with that is going to come changes to standard structures and recommendations. And so, this article is a good to situational awareness for safety professionals to remember, like, hey, um, these we got to continuously look for the future, look for the better, because while yeah, a standard may be great now, doesn't mean that it can't be improved. So that's definitely the biggest practical point from it. And then additionally, just as those changes happen, seeing how they fit into your work center, and seeing if you can apply them based on a financial, a manpower, or a timing standpoint. And I would definitely use this document and reference it to other safety professionals to see, like, okay, like what they can learn from it, if their field is, is under machine guarding and they operate on a daily basis.